Hi, Nick here with your daily law firm marketing tip, and today we're discussing how to use AI for law firm articles and content marketing. Now, AI has been generating a lot of buzz. Probably you've heard about ChatGPT and all the other tools, and you have also probably been warned about not using or not overusing uh, AI tools to directly generate articles and content, primarily because, quote unquote, AI is a liar, right? The biggest issue with using AI tools, especially in the legal niche, is the fact that, AI might actually provide misleading information, so you can't really utilize it readily to generate content for law firms. However, there is a way in which we can optimize the production process with AI in a way in which we maintain the subject matter expertise of lawyers within a law firm. So let's first discuss the typical content marketing roadmap for an article and how this will be created, planned, and published. So first we're going to start with a research. Usually a content marketer or an SEO individual is going to do keyword research. We're going to do topic modeling. We're going to do the skyscraper technique. You're going to discover what are the best similar articles on that particular topic that we want to cover, etc. After that, we're going to create a very complex outline for the copywriter. After that, we're going to send that to a copywriter. The copywriter is going to produce the article. It is going to get written as a draft. After that, in many cases for law firms, we have to involve a decision maker or someone who is a subject matter expert, let's say a paralegal or even a lawyer, to actually look at the article and confirm that everything that's stated inside is factually correct and accurate, because we don't want to mislead the users, especially with something that's legal related. Next, after that is there's a feedback loop process where the article goes to redactions with the content team. And after that, finally, the article is published. Once the sign off is complete by the decision maker at the law firm, the article is published. After that, we have the social media planning for the social media, and then social media publishing. The article is shared on YouTube, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Now, as you can notice here, this process relies on a lot of back and forth going, and it has a very critical issue with it. So in order for you to optimize this process with AI, really the issues are around the. So the problem is that the people that are doing the research, the SEO experts right here in step one and creating the outline, are not the subject matter experts. So what's happening is they're basing the outlines and the planning of the article on information that they see online, but they're not necessarily subject matter experts in this particular topic. The subject matter expert comes all the way over here in step number 4, where he can provide some actual input on the content and the outline of the article and what has been stated inside. So there is a fundamental flaw which requires this redactions and going back and forth, and basically it takes a long time to produce a very decent quality content marketing piece that can rank in the legal niche. So how this can get optimized is if we utilize the decision makers and the subject matter experts knowledge directly here immediately after the research, or basically if the subject matter expert is part of the research process. Now this sounds challenging, but it's actually very easy if we use the video first content marketing approach. So what do I mean by that? With the video first content marketing approach, a subject matter expert can sit in front of a computer. He only needs a webcam and basically discuss topics that have been pre-researched by the content team. So these topics would usually include um, specific titles, frequently asked questions, specific problems that have been mentioned in other places during the research phase. So basically, the research phase from the SEO professionals is really to steer the conversation, but the actual subject matter expertise comes from the subject matter expert. So in this particular case, 1 hour of the time of the lawyer per month, or the paralegal, just sitting in front of a webcam and talking about different topics and questions that have been prepared for him, is all the expertise that is needed to produce very high quality articles and to shorten the process in the timeline I was describing previously. So, in this particular instance, once we get that video from the subject matter experts, outline can be optimized based on the contents of the video, and you're working with actual expertise content, things in it that are verified. So at that point, we have the video, we're going to get the transcript from the video, we're going to cut it into pieces by topics, and each of these topics can go to production, and we can optimize the outline of the article based on what has been said on the video. The production can happen using AI tools. The actual copywriting can happen with AI tools because now the AI is basing the statements with correct prompting and correct AI tools. The AI output is actually based on the transcript of the video. So we're forcing the AI to use the subject matter expertise in the video, in the transcript of the video, rather than coming up with it when the AI can actually misrepresent or provide inaccurate information. There is no need for subject matter review or very minimal need of corrections and reductions in subject matter expert review because the article is based on what the subject matter expert has said. Social media planning can by default be optimized by utilizing the transcripts of the videos and the ready articles to generate the posts, and by having also the transcripts, the AI can use these input points to even generate the posts using words that were actually mentioned by the subject matter expert. And finally, we move to social media publishing, which is usually a scheduling tool, and there are plenty of these around. So just by utilizing this video first content marketing approach and AI, we can shorten the timeline significantly for producing very, very high content marketing articles. And if you think about having, and if the subject matter expert, the attorney or the paralegal is okay to be on camera publicly, then these videos can also be split that he's recording. They can be cut into pieces and shared as reels and short form videos, and we can even utilize some of that content for our social media posting as well. So if you're interested how we can implement that strategy on your website and how we can really produce high quality, engaging, and accurate articles and videos that drive conversions and traffic to your website, feel free to visit epicwebcrafts.com and get your free consultation. Thank you and have a great day.